Hi, boys and girls. I'm back in the laboratory and it's Monday, so I'm going to do something kind of magical today. At least I think so. Last week and this week, we talked about, we're visiting older experiments that I've done before, but they're tried and true ones. So if you want to get your hands wet and do something that you know is going to work, these are the things to do. Last week, we talked about how important it was to wash our hands by doing two experiments that had to do with just a dot of soap on our fingers. I hope you didn't forget that lesson because it's so important to wash your hands in this day and age. This one I'm just doing because I think it's fun and it's almost magical when it happens. So I'm really excited to do this today. The things that you're going to need for this experiment are an empty glass, not a glass, plastic water bottle, something you can see through. It's just interesting to watch it. Something that has a smaller lid right here, a lip, because we're also using balloons, and we've got to fit this balloon over the head of this water bottle. You are also going to need my two favorites, vinegar and baking soda. You know, you can't have a laboratory without a few staples in your house. These are two things. Dish soap is another. Food coloring is another. All of these things are very important to stock your laboratory with. You will also need a spoon, some kind of a funnel, or maybe you have a really steady hand, I don't know, and maybe you can do it. But I need a funnel when I pour something in. And of course you need your balloons. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill our plastic bottle with maybe halfway with some vinegar. So very carefully, and boys and girls, make sure you have your parents do this. Pour the vinegar in so that you get about almost halfway. There's no real measurement to it. I'm going to put about that much in. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my balloon, and I need something to react with this. You know, we've been talking about reactions throughout the whole Curiosity Club. And we know what happens when we have baking soda reacting with vinegar. But what's it going to do to this balloon? Well, I'm going to start by, I blew this up and let it deflate again just because I wanted to get it nice and stretchy. I'm just giving that out as a tip. And then I'm going to take my funnel and I'm going to put it right into the top of my balloon. So I get it in there nice and secure so that nothing's going to come out. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. It's kind of a funny little contraption. And I am going to put my baking soda inside my balloon. What am I doing with that? You're going to have to guess because you've seen me do these experiments a lot. So I have my spoon, and I'm going to dig around in there. I think I need to get some more. And I'm going to start with that much. Shake it so it gets down there. Whoop, whoop. Maybe I'll put just a little more in. I want a good reaction. So let's put some more in. So I have probably maybe a tablespoon and a half in the bottom of my balloon. Now, here's the tricky part. You want to take the funnel and put it away, and I'm going to have to put this, and this is where your parents or somebody's going to have to help you, on top of the lid. I need to just kind of stretch it a little bit. I know I have to do that. And then put it right over. So it now I'm going to let all that stuff. Oh my word, what's happening to my balloon? What's happening to my balloon? Oh no. Look what happened, boys and girls. I didn't even get a chance to talk about it. It just happened. And it's still going on, and it's still blowing up. And it's blowing up. How, oh my word, it's now going into, all this stuff is fizzing. And it's going into my balloon. All that gas that is made, and we've seen this happen before, all the gas that is made from all these bubbles going into my balloon made it blow up. And let me tell you, it blew up fast. And that's it now. See how it's all going down? But look what happened. I now have a nice blown up balloon. That's the reaction you get with baking soda and vinegar. It makes this wonderful experiment. And boy, I think because I put a lot of baking soda in it at the beginning, that's what caused it to go so fast. I think if you wanted to see it come up slower, you could probably just keep it bent over and just a little bit at a time, and you could really watch it blow up. But that was pretty amazing, let me tell you. So there you have it. Easy experiment, stuff you have around the house. And it always works, a tried and true one. Okay, so that's it for today. As always, remember what I say. Be kind. In this day and age, just a smile goes a long way. Just a hello, just a let me help you is really important to a lot of people. So remember to step outside yourselves this week and be kind. Okay? I'll see you. You have a fabulous week. Love you all.